Good afternoon, students. Now we will see chapter number 7, conditional control statements. At the end of the chapter, students will able to know about QBasic, constants and variables control statements. In last year you have studied QBasic, okay? Last year आपने क्या देखा था? QBasic statement. Now we will see conditional control statements. Now see here, BASIC was designed by Professor John Kimney and Thomas Kurtz in the year 1964. It was basically designed for training the beginners in programming. Later on in 1985, Bill Gates and Paul Allen developed QBasic that was intended as a replacement for GW Basic. The QBasic language is a compiler basic high level language that uses Windows environment. Further, to improve upon the previous version of QBasic 4.5, the new version QBasic 64 was released on 24 April 2013. Okay. Conditional control statement means what? Are those which allow you to control the execution flow of the program. जो कि क्या करते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं एग्जीक्यूशन फ्लो ऑफ द प्रोग्राम डिपेंडिंग ऑन ए कंडीशन, जो कि कंडीशन पे डिपेंड होते हैं, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? कंडीशनल कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट. लाइक दैट एक स्टेटमेंट इज ए सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन. स्टेटमेंट क्या है? इट इज ए सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन रिटन बाय द यूजिंग कीवर्ड्स ऑफ QBasic. In the previous class, you have learnt about the statements such as let, print, and input. In last year you have studied this, such as let, print, and input. These statements have a specific use and structure. Now, in this lesson, you will study about conditional control statement in QBasic 64, such as if, then, go to, if, then, else. Before proceeding with conditional control statement, let us have a brief review of constant, variable, and the statement that you have learned. I mean, now see constant and variable. Constant means what? Constant is a value that cannot be altered by the program. Constant क्या है? It is a value that cannot be altered by the program. Constant are the value that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants are of two types. कितने types के constant है? Two types के. वो कौन से देखेंगे हम? Numeric constant. They are further divided into two types: integer and real constant. Integer constants are positive or negative number. Integer constant कौन से? Positive or negative numbers without any fractional part. Example 12, 234, 786, etc. Real constants are the numbers with a fractional part. Example is 75.5, 46.25, etc. Okay. ये कौन से न्यूमेरिक कॉन्स्टेंट्स, उसमें कौन से वैल्यू होते हैं? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव. नाउ सी कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट. द कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट टू टाइप्स के: सिंगल कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट and string multi character constant. Okay. Character constant is formed by enclosing a single character from the representable. A single character constant contains a single character enclosed in double quotes. For example, double inverted comma D double inverted comma close, then F double inverted comma F double inverted comma close, etc. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed within a double quotes. Example, Vardman double inverted comma close double inverted comma welcome to basic programming double inverted comma close, etc. Okay. Now see variable. Now we will see variables. A variable is a name location in the memory of a computer that stores data temporarily. A variable has a unique name. Variable has a unique name, a type and a size that is used to identify it in a program. It can hold one data at a time and can accept different values during the execution of the program. Okay. Now see numeric variable. It can hold only numbers. Numeric value variable में क्या होता है? It can hold only numbers that can be of integer, floating, decimal or long integer type. It is represented by an alphabet. It is represented by a alphabet. A numeric variable should not contain any space or symbols like double inverted comma, question mark, okay, forward slash, at, semicolon, okay, etc. Now see here, example a is equal to 5 means that the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. A is equal to 5 means what? That the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. Now see string variable. String variables are variables that hold 0 or more character, okay. In this, a string variable contains values, symbols or text with double quotes, that is in bracket double inverted comma, bracket close double inverted comma. It is represented by an alphabet follow the dollar sign. Example a dollar is equal to Varadman double inverted comma close. Now see review of statement. The rim statement is used to write a commit. rim statement काय के लिए यूज की जाती है? कमेंट राइट करने के लिए इन द program that does not get executed, okay, in the program that does not get executed. Now see print. It is used to display number. Print statement काय के लिए है? It is used to display number, text और message on the output screen. output screen पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? नंबर और टेक्स्ट मैसेज डिस्प्ले कर सकते हो. CLS में द CLS स्टेटमेंट यूज टू क्लियर द आउटपुट स्क्रीन. आउटपुट स्क्रीन क्लियर करने के लिए CLS स्टेटमेंट का यूज होता है. Then let, the let statement is used to assign or give a value to a variable, okay. And input, this statement is used to accept value from the user and store it in a variable. Input statement means is used to accept value from the user and store it in a variable. Now see students about control statement. In a program, the statements are generally executed in a sequential manner. In a program, the statements are generally executed in a sequential manner. However, at times the user may need to change this order of execution either by repeating or skipping the execution of a few statements subjected to a given condition. In such situation, the task can be performed by the use of control statement due to their capability of making decision in runtime. They play a very important role in programming. ये क्या करते हैं? Very important role play करते हैं programming में. There are various control statement जैसे कि हम देखेंगे अब इन क्यू बेसिक 64 लाइक गो टू, इफ देन एल्स एक्सेट्रा टू परफॉर्म कंडीशनल चेक्स एंड रिस्पेक्टिव एक्शंस, ओके. नाउ वी विल सी गो टू स्टेटमेंट्स. व्हाट इज गो टू स्टेटमेंट? अभी हम देखेंगे. ए गो टू स्टेटमेंट इज रेफर्ड टू as unconditional transfer control. It is used to transfer the program control from one statement to another in a program. Go to statement क्या है? Go to statement is used to create jumps in a program, okay. Syntax देखेंगे अभी. go to less than sign instruction, greater than sign, okay. For example, go to start. Now see in the above mentioned statement, go to transfer the control to statement with the label double inverted comma start double inverted comma close. The following program illustrates the concept of go to statement. ये क्या है? प्रोग्रामिंग. ये प्रोग्राम क्या करना पड़ता है? टाइप करना पड़ता है. जैसे कि इधर टाइप किया गया है प्रोग्राम 1 a इज इक्वल टू 1, ओके. स्टार्ट इन कैपिटल लेटर्स, b इज इक्वल टू a स्टार a, ओके. प्रिंट b, a इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 1, गो टू स्टार्ट एंड. ये क्या है? प्रोग्राम. ये क्या है? एक टाइप का प्रोग्राम 1, ओके. तो आपको ऐसा आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगा, ओके. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, here when go to statement encounters the control is transferred to the desired line to set up a loop. An unconditional transfer of control creates an infinite loop where there is no exit. In our daily life we make decision and take action accordingly, okay. In our daily life we make decision and take actions accordingly. Now we will see example. Our plan to go to a movie. Our plan is to go to a movie will depend upon the availability of tickets. Now condition C, which is the if tickets are available, प्लान ऑफ एक्शन सी द मूवी. ओके, टिकट्स अवेलेबल है तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, मूवी देख सकते हैं. इफ टिकट्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल, कंडीशन में क्या है, इफ टिकट्स आर हैव फूड इन ए रेस्टोरेंट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं है तो फिर रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाएंगे. ओके, हैव फूड इन ए रेस्टोरेंट. Similarly, the computer also decide about the action depending upon the validity or non-validity of a condition. Every decision involves a choice between the yes and no result. When the condition is satisfied, the execution stops. The go-to statement can also be used along with if-then statement that allows the execution of a program for a specific number of times. Okay. Now see if-then statement. अभी हम देखेंगे if and then statements. Okay. In this if then statement is the most basic of control statement. It is used for making decision. It is used for making decision based on comparison. It checks only the true condition of the program and comes to an end. जो भी कुछ ट्रू कंडीशन है वही ये चेक करता है of the program. Syntax: if less than sign, condition greater than sign, then less than sign, statement greater than sign. If the condition is true, then the instruction specified after then is executed. If the condition is false, then the control shifts to the next statement. Example: if x is greater than y, okay, then c is equal to c plus 1. It means that if x is greater than y, then 1 is added to the value of c. Means what? It means that x is greater than y, then 1 is added to the value c. If $a is equal to class 9th, okay, then input name, age, marks, $am. Okay, the value of variables $am will be input only if the value of variable $a is equal to the class 9. Okay, the double inverted comma close. If c is greater than 10, then print c. The value of c will be printed only if the value of c is greater than 10. If c is equal to 10, then go to start. If c is equal to 10, then control will be transferred to the statement after start. Otherwise, the next statement will be executed. This is sample program. ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम, सैम्पल प्रोग्राम है. नाउ सी राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू प्रिंट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 15. इनपुट: डू यू वांट टू प्रिंट 1 to 5 $y. इफ $y इज इक्वल टू यस, देन प्रिंट 1. ओके, ये प्रोग्राम टाइप करना होता है इन डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स, जैसे इधर टाइप किया गया है, प्रिंट 2 डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज, प्रिंट 3. एज you have seen the last year how to write a program. Okay, print 4, print 5 and end. This is the output. Do you want to print 1 to 5? yes, 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसा आपको इधर दिखाई देगा आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे. ओके, नाउ सी प्रोग्राम 3. राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फाइंड करने के लिए एक प्रोग्राम लिखना है. रिम डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, दिस प्रोग्राम फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज. Input double inverted comma, enter the length is equal to length. Input enter the breadth is equal to double inverted comma breadth. Let area is equal to length into breadth. Print the area of rectangle is area and end. Now see output, क्या output मिला, enter the length is equal to 5, enter the breadth is equal to 4, the area of rectangle is 20. Okay, 5 into 4 20, the area of rectangle is 20. Then see program 4. राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू ऐड 2 numbers यूजिंग लेट स्टेटमेंट. लेट स्टेटमेंट यूज करके प्रोग्राम आपको 2 numbers में राइट करना है. रेम टू ऐड 2 numbers, क्लियर स्क्रीन. CLS मीन्स व्हाट, क्लियर स्क्रीन. लेट n1 इज इक्वल टू 45, लेट n2 इज इक्वल टू 37, लेट सम इज इक्वल टू n1 प्लस n2, प्रिंट सम and output is 82. Okay, then see program 5. Write a program to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Rem डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा टू फाइंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज. यही टाइप में प्रोग्राम राइट करना होते हैं. जिधर कैपिटल है उधर कैपिटल और जिधर स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखा है उधर स्मॉल लेटर्स में आपको राइट करना होता है। इनपुट डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा इंटर लेंथ डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा क्लोज यल इनपुट एंटर ब्रीथ बी perimeter is equal to L length into breadth. Print the perimeter of rectangle is perimeter and then end. Then see enter length 5, enter breadth 6. The perimeter of rectangle is 30. Okay, like this. Now see, this is the program 6. ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम है? 6 नंबर का. Now see here, write a program to compare two number. Rim program to find the greater number. Clear screen. Input enter two numbers n1 n2. If n greater than n2, then print greater number is n1, and if n1 smaller than n2, then print greater number is n2. If n is equal to n2, then print both numbers are equal and end. Writing capital letters this program. Then see output, clear the output screen. Step number 2, input two numbers, enter two numbers 15, 10, greater number is 15. Okay. Step number 3, check whether the first number is greater than the second. If yes, the print first number as the greater number. Enter two numbers 10, 25, greater number is 25. Now see, check whether, step number 5, check whether both the numbers are equal. If yes, then print both numbers are equal. Then see, enter two numbers 15, 15, both numbers are equal. Okay, and end the program like this. And program number 7 is what? Write a program to find the sum or difference of two number depending upon the user choice. एक प्रोग्राम है 7 नंबर का. क्या है वो? राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू फाइंड द सम और डिफरेंस ऑफ टू नंबर डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द यूजर चॉइस. सबसे पहले आपको ये प्रोग्राम राइट टाइप करना है. क्लियर स्क्रीन, CLS मीन्स व्हाट? क्लियर स्क्रीन. स्टार्ट इनपुट टू नंबर AB, इनपुट एंटर 1 फॉर एडिशन, 2 फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन. CH, if CH is equal to 1, then C is equal to A plus B. If CH is equal to 2, then C is equal to A minus B. Print C, input double inverted comma, do you want to exit in bracket Y /n, yes no, bracket close, semicolon, double inverted comma, Q dollar. If Q dollar is equal to N, then go to start and end. Okay, output is what? Clear the screen. Step number 1, clear the screen. Step number 2, input two numbers A and B. Step number 3, enter your choice, either 1 for addition and 2 for subtraction in the variable CH. Step number 4, if CH is equal to 1 number will be added and the result will be stored in C. Okay, अभी देखो इधर आउटपुट क्या है? टू नंबर्स 10, 25, एंटर 1 फॉर एडिशन, 2 फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन, क्वेश्चन मार्क, दैट इज 35. ओके, डू यू वांट टू एग्जिट, यस नो, तो आप एग्जिट कर सकते हो. स्टेप नंबर 5, CH is equal to 2, second number will be subtracted from first and the result will be stored in C. Then what? Step number 6, print C. Step number 7, press Y to exit and N to repeat the process. Okay. Step number 8, if the user types N, then control moves back to label start and the process is repeated. Step number 9, when a user enters Y, then press any key to continue is displayed in capital letters. And step number 10, when the user press any key, the program ends. Okay, like this, these are the steps. Okay.